konnichiwa. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. What I'm doing? Why there are numbers on this? What's that? O Tanushimi Jido Hanbaiki. A mysterious vending machine. What is a vending machine? Well, in a vending machine, you put money and you press if you want something, and the things comes out from this slot. What's so mysterious about it? Let's find out. Oh, there's some patterns. Stitches? No, they are just numbers. A pattern with 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 just look like stitches. So there is a reverse number and both sides. Let's look. O Tanushimi Jido Hanbaiki. A mysterious vending machine. Nodo ga kawai tana. Juice o nomu uto. Nani ga deru ka o tanushimi datte. Itsu tai nani ga deru no kana. My throat is dry. Let's have a juice. Wait till the juice comes out. What kind of juice will come out? So this boy approaches a vending machine and then he decided Ichi no button o osute. Ichi is 1. So he pressed the button 1. Guru 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 guru. Ichi 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 go. Ama kutte oishi ichi go dayo. So sweet and tasty. Strawberries. Oishi is tasty. Juice janakte ichiko ga dete kita. Nanda ka hendana. I didn't know if I press for juice I'll get strawberries. Yoshi sugi o oshite mio. Okay, let's press the next button and see. Ni no button o sute. Ding. So he pressed 2. He's holding the strawberries. What do you think will come out? Oh, shoo, ya, do, doro. Nin, ninja. Nin po u sukaeru ninja dayo. So with button 2, the ninjas came out. What? Wow, ninja da. Kakkoi na. Yoshi sugi mo oshite mio. Wow, how cool. Ninja. Let's press the next button and see. San no button osuto. See, the ninjas are eating strawberries. And then he pressed the san, number 3. Hola, jumpo, ciao, moi, hello, konnichiwa. So, what came out? San, Santa. Okurimono todo keru Santa dayo. So, Santa is here to deliver presents. Da-da-da. Wow, Santa ga itsupaida. Wow, Santa is here. So much. His bag is full. Sugi wa ichi ni san shi. Shi no button. Sugi wa next. Ichi ni san shi. Shi no button. No osute. So Santa is around. Ninja is something is coming out. And then he pressed the button 4. Pora. Shirasu. Fukura sen shirasu dayo. Shirasu. Oh, white bait. It's a plump white bait. So many shirasu, white bait. Shirasu. Eyo, mantenda, nandaka, tanoshiko, natte kita zo, yoshimoto, oshite myo, iro na button o sute. It's getting so interesting. Let me press the next button. In fact, let me press various buttons. So, what happens? The ninja, the Santa, all gets excited and they press different buttons. One of the ninjas is having shirasu soup maybe or something. He's having fun. Everyone is pressing the buttons. What will happen? Oh, iro dete kita. Go. Gorilla. Roko beast. Shichi 7. Shichi Fukujin 7. These are the 7 god of happiness. Hachi 8. Hachimaki, the band. Q 9. Q Sha, the ambulance. Wow, such interesting words with the numbers. I'm learning a lot. What about you? Toto Saigo no button ga nani ga deru no kana ju no button o sute. Finally, we have pressed all except the 10. So he was so excited. See, the gorilla is looking so excited. Everybody gathers around the vending machine and they're excited. So he pressed that button 10, which is Ju. What do you think will come out? Ju. Gara. Juice. Ju wato sawa yaka juice dayo. Finally, this is juice. This is refreshing juice. So many cans. He wanted one probably. He got a big one. I think. Who will drink? Goku. Poa. Yatto. Juice ka nometa. Kono suji wa 1000 dake. Yoshi kore mo oshite miru to. Let's drink heavily. I was so thirsty. What number is this? 1000. He also said so. So he was all more excited to press this button, and so he pushed this button too. He's having juice. What do you think? Oh, Sen. 1000 is sen. Senru. Don no biru senro dayo. Oh, what's coming? A smoke, a big, and it's growing bigger. What do you think? Yes, we all know. We can guess. Gatan. Wa. Kikan sha. So everybody is having juice and they all get excited to see the train. 1000 sen. So everybody puts the train. Gatan. And they are having juice. What a fun ride they will be having. Gatan. We all have a ride on a train, isn't it? And we all love this journey. Tanoshikata. Oh, so he got a present from Santa, and this is called kendama. It's a traditional folk toy from Japan, and this is called ozala, which is the bigger side, and this is called kozala. So we have to bounce and try to land the ball here, and this is more challenging. Have fun. And I had fun, a lot of fun with this book. Wow. So, otanoshimi Jito and Baiki, do try the vending machine and enjoy the cool images you will see after the story. Please follow, like, subscribe. Thank you. Matane.